this is the 3D printer my nephew's got, and he's printed me a air engine or steam engine if you want to call it. So guys, to start the build of this engine here, I had to drill a bigger hole because this wouldn't go through, so drilled it now, it's going in. It's kind of a little bit kind of rough, even in the piston here. Piston's rough, this is a bit rough, but I sanded it down a little bit, not too much. Anyway, I also drilled a hole in there. You won't be able to see, it's very small because there's holes in here, so I'll have to put a pin in there like that. I'm going to push this through here, push this through like this, and put a pin in there so it will work like this. So guys, concerning this engine, 3D printed engine, I did try to start it. It didn't work, it wouldn't do anything. So I've done a lot with this engine. We're going to try it right now. Everything should work, but I don't know if it will. So put that on there. Bit more. Go on, bud. Bit more. It's going. That's a lot. That's a lot. 2,000 psi. Forget it. So guys, as you can see, this engine, I've had a lot of problems with it, and I've tried all kinds of things to work it. It just wouldn't work. Just turn this down so this tube can actually fit on there, and this is going to go on top of here. I'm going to have a tester. I'll put a little bit of a tape there so that it kind of seals a little bit more, and let's see if it works. So guys, I tried with this and it doesn't really work with that, so I'm going to try it like this, see how it goes. Okay. As you can see, it's trying to go, guys. No, a bit more. So guys, that's it then. I've done a lot with this. I spent so much time with this. It's just not working. It was trying to go. I think there's a lot of friction here. The piston is too light, I think, as well. It needs a bit of weight on the piston to keep it going. So, I don't know. Just, I'm going to leave it for now. I might update it a little bit more later on if it works. So, thank you for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.